So number 7 and a few more say, find a unit vector with the same direction as the given vector. So remember we had a formula for a unit vector. It's equal to 1 over the magnitude of the vector times the vector. So let's do that for m. The magnitude of m is equal to the square root of 9 plus 16, or the square root of 25, which is 5. So I have 1 over 5 times -3, -4, which is -3 fifths, -4 fifths. So there's your unit vector. Let's do number 8. We have w is equal to 24/7. That's pretty funny, 24/7. You guys, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's what comes to my mind when it says 24/7. I don't know. You get the joke? Do you get the joke? Okay. I feel like these are so boring, these videos. I feel bad, but I don't know what else to do. So we're just getting through a couple more weeks, right? Hang in there. Okay. So the magnitude of W, can I make this sound exciting, is 24 squared plus 49. I don't know what 24 squared is. 16, 8, 9, 0, 8, 4, 6, 7, 576. So, and then 49 added to that. 7, 8, 12, 625. How nice is that? That is 25. So we have 1 over 25 times 24/7. So you would get 24 over 25, comma 7 over 25. So that was number 8. Let's go to number 9. We have P, -8, 4. So let's see. We want the magnitude of P. And so that's 64 plus 16, or the square root of 80, which is 4 square root of 5. And so we have -8 over 4 square root of 5 and 4 over 4 square root of 5. So let's see if we can't rationalize this. That would be -2 square root of 5 over 5. Yes, and this one that would go away. 1 over square root of 5 is square root of 5 over 5. So there's your answer for number 9. Number 10 is y equals -1, -7. So the magnitude of y is equal to the square root of 1 plus 49, or the square root of 50, or 5 square root of 2. Do enough of these, you get good at your radicals, right? So the unit vector would be 1 over 5 square root of 2 times -1, -7, which comes to -1 over 5 square root of 2, -7 over 5 square root of 2. So we would do negative square root of 2 over 5 times 2, which is 10, and -7 square root of 2 over 10. That's what I got. -2 square root of -2, negative square root of 2 over 10, and -7 square root of 2 over 10. Okay? All right, let's see. 11 is LM. Okay, they don't give us in component form, where L is -3/8 and M is -1/5. At least you get good at some of this other stuff. So component form would be -1 minus -3, which is -1 plus 3, which is 2. And 5 minus 8 is -3. So I get component form of 2, -3. And so then the magnitude of LM is equal to the square root of 4 plus 9, which is the square root of 13, which is going to stay the square root of 13. So our unit vector is equal to 1 over the square root of 13 times 2 negative 3, which is 2 over the square root of 13, negative 3 over the square root of 13, and that is 2 square root of 13 over 13, and negative 3 square root of 13 over 13. So that's 11. And we got one more of these. Number 12, RS. And R is 10, negative 9, and S is 4, negative 7. So vector form of RS, component form I mean, would be 4 minus 10, or negative 6, and negative 7 plus 9, which is 2. So negative 6, 2. Okay, and then we will say that the magnitude of RS is equal to the square root of 36 plus 4, or the square root of 40, which is 2 square root of 10. So we have 1 over 2 square root of 10 times negative 6, 2. And so you have negative 6 over 2 square root of 10 and 2 over 2 square root of 10. So that's negative 3 square root of 10 over 10, and 1 square root of 10, so I don't need the 1, so oops, square root of 10 over 10. So negative 3 square root of 10 over 10 and square root of 10 over 10 will be your final answer. All right, I'll stop with that group and we'll do the next ones in the next video.